All right, so we out here at like some like weird dam thing that we're looking for. I got the homies Gage and Davian. Yeah, dude, my ankles are gonna roll before I even get to the dam. Yeah.
It's gonna be a tight adventure today.
I'm excited. Are you throwing any double backs today?
Possibly. I know Davian is.
Davian's for sure gonna throw double backs. Hopefully he'll throw a triple.
I'm gonna throw everything. I'm ready to back out.
Yo, that'd be sick. I'm down. Oh, Gage, my pikes are getting really good now. I was able to home the floor last night.
Does that mean you're gonna join us on depth diving?
On where?
Depth diving.
Oh no.
He was watching a tutorial on the way here.
I think I'm good. Hey.
I had to redeem myself from last time with Chad.
Yeah, how far is the hike?
I have no idea.
Oh, sick. All right. Do you know where we're going?
Yeah. We're looking for a dam.
Oh, sick. All right, cool.
I don't need a vlog, I need to learn how to flip.
You can do both at the same time. So there's a no dumping sign back there. So.
Back to the car.
No. You can't take a poop here.
I wasn't planning on it.
All right, cool. I just wanted to let you know there's a no dumping sign.
Thank you.
So, yeah.
You can be the only one who's not there.
Oh no, don't say that. We did it! Yay!
I'm about to do something. Death diving.
Oh no! Gage was saying that you were looking up that stuff in the car?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm...
Absolutely not.
Yeah, dude, same. Absolutely not. I'm good. Davian's about it though.
I suck enough. I don't need to risk terminal injury with how dumb and fat I am. Like, my terminal velocity is definitely higher than most.
It's day 3. And we're still hiking. I think we're lost. Oh, is that it? Oh, that's really big. Yeah, how cold do you think the water's gonna be?
I'm hoping.
Yeah, it's pretty hot out. This looks really cool though. Uh-oh. 2-hour trek, no water, girls. Uh-oh. Woo! All right, so we're going down? We jumping in that mucky water down there? I'm down. Let's do it.
Pretty sure we're good.
All right, we're going. Uh-oh, the young boy. Palm flip. Buff. I mean, how are we gonna get down to the water other than taking that 50-foot drop, which I'm not down for? Yeah, so that's what I'm not down for.
Yeah.
I'm not trying to jump 50 feet to my death into shallow water, very shallow water. I don't know. It could be very long water, like a long water. What is long water? Into shallow water, into deep water. It could be deep. I don't know. All right, so we're coming up on what we think is the spot. Oh, there's not much to it. Yeah, it's like a whole house back there though. Yo, actually tight in here though. What the heck? Okay, what's that? This is cool. All right, so I don't know what was in there, but it ate Davian. He doesn't exist anymore. He just died. We pre-recorded all of that first, and then we went inside there. So Davian's actually dead now. Rest in peace. So I can hear the rest of the group. I can't see them yet.
Great. This is so cool though, what the heck?
Yo, we trying to go down this slide, Davian?
Oh.
That algae slide?
Hell yeah.
Moving to the second spot. My shorts ripped.
Yes.
Nice, thanks,
Good
thanks.
job. I'm proud.
High fives all around.
always wear their shorts.
Oh, I could, yeah. that'll
You
work.
want to? I think they might fit.
Don't tempt me, I'm down. Woo! Yay!
Hey.
Didn't you do the same thing?
Yeah, I did it a couple
I did
times.
double back, I think.
All right, so Dylan, what I'm hearing is you're gonna palm slide.
Oh, nice. Yo, all right, so that was a lot of fun. I don't know if you guys can see it.
Oh no, were they the white ones?
Yeah.
The
It's
classic
gone.
white
I
ones.
did a full in back out, and it was the worst thing of my life. We have it on film. Hopefully we get it inside the thing.
Dude, this looks magical.
Oh my gosh, it's our friendos. You guys made it. Hi guys.
Wow.
Pretty view, yeah?
Yeah.
All right, do you guys mind if you're in my video?
Oh, no worries, not at all.
Hi, I'm McKenna.
Hey, tuck check.
I'm going that way.
Tuck check.
I'm going that way.
Done.
Tuck check.
You're in my way.
Dagan got it.
Have to get down with posts. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I'd be on the rope and be like, phew, and then end up in the nasty ass water.
I don't think the water's what you're gonna worry about.
I think this
The
is
landing.
where I think this is where I'm chilling. I think
Yeah, I like it.
No, I'm cool to go down. All right, so I'm gonna go down. I need you to take my camera and pass it to me. All right, thanks. Actually, I'm just gonna take my bag.
I thought I was.
So sketch.
I know.
So sketch. Friendly reminder, if you go hiking or do whatever, take some water so we don't. Hey! Sorry, selfie. Drink some water.